All right, hello my friends and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading. In today's video, I got a 5-minute scalping strategy. I'll be showing it on the Euro US dollar trading pair. As always, this strategy works for crypto, Forex, and stocks. Also, if you stick around to the very end of the video, I'll show you how to set up alerts using this strategy so that you can get notified on your device whenever you can take a trade. So the very first thing we're going to do, we're going to go up here on candles and we're going to make sure that the Heikin Ashi candles are activated. Then we're going to go over to indicators. The very first indicator that we'll be using is the T3MA ribbon. The second indicator that we'll be using is the RSI. All right, so those are the only two indicators that we'll be using for that strategy. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings for the T3 ribbon, go over to inputs. For the fast length, we're going to change this to 11. And for the slow length, we're going to change it to 34. We're also going to make sure that the very bottom box is checked because we do have Heikin Ashi candles activated using this strategy. Then we're going to go down to the RSI, click on settings. For the RSI length, we're going to be changing this to 2. We're also going to go over to style. The upper band is going to be changed to 80, and the lower band's value is going to be changed to 20. All right, so that's all the settings for this strategy. Also, if you guys have found value at today's video so far, I would greatly appreciate it if you would smash the like button. I'm getting really close to my goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And as soon as I hit that goal, I'll be releasing my Telegram trade channel where I show you the Forex trades that I make throughout the week. All right, so for the strategy, we're going to be using this for a trending strategy. So the first thing that we're going to be looking for is for the T3 ribbon to be either red or green. So as we can see right here, we do have the ribbon, it is green. So we're going to be looking for long positions. Next thing that we're going to look for is for the RSI to close above the 80 level. As soon as that occurs, we can take our long position. So we're going to open the trade right here. As for the stop loss, I usually set it a few points below the ribbon. As for the take profit, I usually have 2 take profit points that I do in all my trades. The first one will be met around the 1 to the 1.5 risk reward ratio. After that, I usually move my stop loss up, and for the remainder of the trade, I will close it whenever the ribbon reverses. So as soon as this ribbon turns red, you will close the remainder of your position. As we can see, we have our first winning short trade. Although this is a scalping strategy on the 5-minute time frame, some of these trades can last a little bit longer, but as you can see, the gains are well worth it. If you found that you missed the first entry point, it's not to worry. Again, this is a trending strategy, so you can see that the price action will repeatedly re-enter the zone so that you can take a long position. So you could have entered right there, you could enter here, you can enter here as well, but you want to make sure that you can hit it as soon as possible. All right, again, we have another potential long position right here. You can see that the ribbon is in the green. We're going to wait until it re-enters this area. And then as soon as the RSI crosses above the 80 level, we want to take our long position. Open the trade right here. Set the stop loss a few points below the ribbon. And again, if we hold on to this until the ribbon reverses and it closes, we have another excellent long position. So something to watch out for, as you can see right here, the ribbon does not reverse, but the top of it does turn red. This indicates that we have a little bit of downwards price action, but it just ended up consolidating a little bit. If a candle closes below this ribbon while looking for a long position, it's invalidated. You want to stay away from the trade and wait until it re-enters the ribbon to take a long. Also, as you can see here, sometimes the price action is consolidating. So usually we're going to sit and wait until we can see higher volume. So if you're trading on the Euro US dollar pair, this is going to occur when the New York market opens or when the European market opens. So for the short position, we're going to be looking for the opposite. As we can see here, we do have the ribbon. It is red, and we're going to wait until the price action crosses into this area. After that, we're going to wait until the RSI hits below the 20 level. So as we can see, we have both of our conditions are met right around this area, so we can take our short position, set our stop loss up here, and if we hold on to this until the ribbon reverses and closes, we have our first profitable short position. And again, you can see soon after that, we have another short position. Again, this is a trending type of a strategy. So if you see it's going down, it's likely to continue in that direction, especially if you're trading on a 5-minute or the 1-minute time frame. Again, we can see here, price action crossed into the red, but it did not break out above the top. We have our first red candle closing, and then after the RSI hits below the 20 level, take another short position. And as you can see, we have another winning short position. Something else to look out for, if you see really long wicks on some of these candles, these are the doji candles, you want to avoid that. That indicates that there is really high turbulence in the market, and the possibility of you losing a trade is quite likely. I would just stay away from the trade. All right, so for setting up trade alerts, the best thing that I found using this strategy, we're going to right click on the RSI, we're going to click add alert, and then we're going to make 2 alerts. We're going to make one for the 80 level, and then another one for the 20. You're going to make sure that it also says once per bar close. So what'll happen is every time the bar closes above or below, every time the bar closes above the 80 level or closes below the 20 level, you're going to get an alert. At that point, you can indicate whether or not the price action is trailing in the green for a long position, or whether or not you can take a short position. After you enter the trade, of course, this is a scalping strategy, so you want to keep an eye on it and make sure to watch it as soon as the ribbon reverses. If you want, you can also set up another alert for whenever the ribbon does reverse, but that is your choice. I don't like to bog my device down with too many alert notifications on TradingView. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Don't risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Again, this is a scalping strategy, so you can be in and out of trades a little bit more rapidly. You always want to prioritize risk management, especially with strategies like this. Also, please be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for future videos like this, and to keep an eye out on my Telegram channel, which will be arriving shortly. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.